right now I'm trying to go over there and get a log to mill up. I'm thinking about working on an outdoor shower slash tub. I think I got a porcelain tub. I think it's no, it's not porcelain. Cast iron tub already lined up, so I wanted to build another outdoor shower. I've had one in the past, but I want this one to be nice and rigged up with my propane camp shower, have a tub next to it, maybe something to wash your hands or something like that. Not necessarily outhouse so much, but I'll show you what I have to deal with when I come down through here. There's a small little gap down here, and I'll probably fast forward. Make some pine boards. I might do that. That's a green pine. I might do pine instead of that hickory, so I can probably drag that out. Let me look at this, see if it's gonna have enough board for me. So I can pull that out now. Top cracked out of it. Give me something to work on. How long? I'll just hook to this, pull it out. I got it hooked up. Well, see, I would have messed up right there. I'm gonna try to just leave the camera right here. That wasn't too hard. Now I'm going to take it back to camp. It might be too dead. But this is really me getting started with the mill. It'll be soft wood, easy for the mill to chew through. And I think I can get some boards out of it. Yeah, that's a chain, ain't it, Tyson? Tyson met a barbed wire fence. Come here, Tyson. Come here. Come here. Look at me. Sit down. Hey, I don't know if y'all see down his back. Right there, he met a barbed wire fence. And then right at his eye, it went up his eye. Down, all the way down his back. Anyway, I'm gonna take this back to camp. Might get started working on it today. Alright, well, I got it here. I think it's gonna be alright. It got debarked, as you can tell. I'm thinking I can get, let's see, probably from there. I mean, you could get, I'd have to have a tape measure out. You can get some board out of that. It was easy. Like I said, it's my first time really messing with it. Chainsaw's making some nice shavings right now. It would be good to go with this soft wood and kind of get an idea of how to use that chainsaw more. So I'll bring y'all along. Hopefully we can go start to finish, turn these boards into something I would like by, I don't even want to put a timetable on it. We'll see what comes of it. Alright guys, well, I got her up here. I got it set up like I want it. I'm about to start, make a cut, but you basically see what it does. You're down here and you actually run it like it should. cut that line. And the reason I'm going as deep as I am is I went 3 inches on that, and I put 2¼ inch screws, or 2 and maybe even 3/4 inch screws. So I went down 3 inches just in case. Hope the chain don't catch that one, because that would obviously be a bad day. But I'm about to get started with this thing. I guess I'll record it and cut it up later. But let's see what I can do. A brand new chain makes a heck of a difference. Y'all see the flaw in what I did? Yeah, I gotta cut that to the edge there, and then take the saw, unfortunately, out of the thing and cut that end off. I just wasn't thinking that far in advance. Should have been. But I'll finish up this, and I'll get that first board taken off. I'll show you what we're looking like. Well, ta-da! Now looks a lot better. So we've almost made our first board. I'll show you. Let me go grab the drill real quick. This is our first board, so it doesn't look bad. You'll see people cut this. You'll see some people put these as outside siding, but a lot of people, like big sawmills, they'll cut it enough for a stove and sell those ends as firewood. Knowing me, I'll probably use that as a board somewhere, or start collecting them, and once I get enough, I can put it as siding on something. I'm gonna have to do something to protect these from the sun. But I'm gonna go and I'm gonna try to get some boards cut real quick. See if I can't get 2 or 3, or heck, we'll see how many I can get before that sun goes down. Alright, we'll catch y'all in a bit. If I had the mini mill, I'd go and I'd cut off the ends of these, but I don't. So just get me some pieces. I like it though. It'll look good. A lot of, whoo, she's smoking. Maybe I should let her cool off a little while. Dang. If she is working pretty hard. That's a hard cut for a saw. That much wood. I'm probably working her too much too. Alright. Look at all that sawdust. Have a good one. Oh, there we go. I got some boards. It's a process. I guess I kind of really didn't get kicked off until, that might be an hour's worth of work. Might be, I don't know. I'm sure if you went and bought that board it'd be more than I'm making an hour, that's for damn sure. But the fact that I just took that log, turn that into usable building material, that's the coolest part to me. But we'll see if I can't use this stuff for something tomorrow. I don't have enough like I wanted. Heck, I might go get another one and do some more. But for right now, probably where I'm gonna end it today. Hang out with Tyson, eat some food, chill out, maybe lay down in the hammock, who knows. But been a good one. Talk to y'all tomorrow probably.